Hey there, DIYers. Hey, a little bit of a different thing I'm doing today. I just want to close out the year by, first of all, saying thank you to all you subscribers for helping me out here. I can't believe we've hit 1,000 subscribers here. This is awesome. Thank you so much. And I hope I've helped inspire you to kind of do some of your own DIY things. And, you know, of course, it just helps me do my stuff around here too. But today, I do kind of want to start out also by saying I want to set up some goals for myself for this next year. I know I've been trying to get a little more organized in the shop. Hopefully maybe this next year, we'll really be able to do some more. I'm going to show you a couple of things that I did do this year that is helping out quite a bit. But hopefully this can kind of maybe inspire you. If you have some things that you're really proud of, hey, go down below, comment down below some of the things that you've done. And I'm going to post this on my Facebook. Maybe you can go down and find me on there and show me some pictures you've done. Maybe it'll inspire me to try to do something too. So, but hey, I want to show you the first thing here. This is one thing I'm kind of proud of that we've done. All the organization we've done with all these Ryobi tools and everything. Got everything all set up in here. Absolutely makes so much easier. I know Ryobi's come out with a new link system and stuff like that, but I already had all my stuff all kind of set up in here. Just the other day, made a little stand here to keep all my sandpaper and everything, and now it's easier for me to go and find exactly what I need to get the job done. I got this case. I also have another case over here. This has got some of my other tools and stuff in here. Got all my sawzalls and circular saws and everything. Kind of a cool thing. I used a metal, actual knife rack. You can get little tool racks and stuff too, but keep the saw blades that I'm using at the time up here. They're not ruined. They're not, you know, until they're completely worn out. Then I can take them off and I can pull a new one out of the package. And I have packages of them, you know, right back here on the pegboard. So it's trying to be more organized. And I'm going to show you a couple more things. We'll go back over to the other side of the shop. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Before we go over to look at the other stuff, you can kind of see all this pile of wood over here. These are all my cutoff pieces and everything that we've done on projects. And that is a project I'm going to be working on here real soon, with some inspiration from other YouTubers too. I'll try to put right up here, I'll probably put his logo or something up here. Go check him out. I'm gonna actually make a wood cart to actually store all this stuff on, because it makes it so difficult to be able to get back in here to get to the racks of the stuff I've stored and everything else. It makes it so much easier to be able to roll stuff out and be able to get to those sheet goods and those cut off pieces to be able to use them. So that's one of the things that will be coming for you guys real soon. All right, so here we are back over the toolbox, and I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I get a little crazy on doing my projects and I don't keep everything as organized as I want. And another YouTuber that has kind of really inspired me on the next couple of things here, I'll try and post him this time over here. And he has got me, another inspirational thing that just kind of really helps you out a little bit. And some ideas that he said that was just awesome. So I started with my screwdriver drawer and just trying to keep them organized and everything. So went out, bought a nice set of screwdrivers, and then I also went around and did a cutout of each of the tools. So once they're missing, obviously there's a spot there that's empty, and I'm going to know that screwdriver is missing there. The things that he said was kind of really interesting. Just the fact that if you have a spot there for that tool and you misuse that tool a little bit, maybe I use a screwdriver to start hammering on and I break it, I have to replace that same tool, that is same exact size and that same style where that was. If I went through and I took the time to cut each one of these out to make them fit, I may think a little bit on the next time I use it. I may think twice as using that hammer right on the backside of it and crack on something. I may say, I might need a chisel, you know, and use the right tool for the project instead. So I think this has been something really to start me off, is to getting things organized. Here, I'm gonna, little secret here is, here's one of the drawers that I really don't like. All my drill bits are just, here's a pile of drill bits. This is ridiculous. This is not organization, and I don't want to be like, I want to get this a lot better, so when I'm ready to do my project, I know right where that tool is and I can get it and be ready to go and not wasting my time. Another thing that he also brought up was the fact of using a cart, using a work cart. So when you're ready to you go out and do that project, it's like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna need my, you know, I'm gonna need my dielectric grease. I know I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need those screwdrivers that are in here. And once I'm done, empty the cart. Take those things back and put them back where they belong, to make sure that, you know, when you need it next time, that's right where it's at. So those are the kind of things I'm looking at, really trying to get organized better this next year. I'm going to share things with you as I go through, and hopefully, yeah, maybe we can help each other out. And like I said, if you got some really cool things that you've done for organization, go over to my Facebook page. I'm going to post this video on there. Go down and tag it down there, mark it down there, put some comments in there. I would love to see it, because I'm all in for some organization. I don't have all the ideas, but if I have something, hopefully I can inspire you maybe to try something out. We can help each other out. So that's some good things I want to try out. All right, so hopefully on this little video we did today, hopefully it kind of maybe gets you guys a little amped up about this next year. I know I am. I'm excited for 22 to be more organized, and I'm going to be here for you guys to hopefully help inspire, help you guys out. I know I got a project. We're changing all the hollow core doors out in our house to the Knotty Alder solid core doors. I'm pretty excited about that. I get a little giddy about some solid doors. I just love the way they shut, the way they feel. So we'll be doing one of those. Of course, like I said, the wood cart we did. Of course, I always got friends that have car problems and things like that. We'll always be doing those. I'm trying to bring you a little bit more household stuff. Maybe even try and get into the camper again, find some more organization things to do in there. But if you guys got something, like I said, go over to my Facebook page and put something on there for me. I would love to hear more stuff. Shooting for an awesome 22 year. I hope you guys are too. And we'll see you guys next time.